I love Cum so much. Welcome to Cupcake Can't Paint. Where I do my face, and you tell me what I did wrong. Because you love to tell me what I do wrong. So, first things first, I always do this little mask before, hydrate my face. Bam, it's hydrated. Now we're gonna prime it. Primed. Today I'm just gonna do a regular cupcake face. So that primer is kind of set a little bit, and so what I'm gonna do is a little beard cover, because I'm a man. I use this, Ben Nye's beard cover. It's like a red, orange. I'm gonna put that where I have blue tones underneath my face, because that's color theory. Someone told me. And I'm also gonna do it sort of over my eyebrows, because I shave my eyebrows and maybe a little bit under my eyes. Bam, so there's that. I'm gonna let that set while I do my eyes first, because I feel like this setting on my face will like have it time to like sort of soak in, like just not spread around so much when I put my foundation on later. Eyes, I'm gonna prime them with this e.l.f. eye primer. Prime my eyelids, bam. So I'm kind of wanting to do like this like green and make like some purple hues. So if I'm gonna do lime green, what I kind of want to do is put, where I prime my eyes, I'm gonna do some foundation just to like even out the tones all over my face, or all over my eyelid, so I can kind of be working with the same like tone face. So I'm gonna use Jeffree Starr's Blue Blood palette in the color Wealthy, which is like a nude. It's this one right here. I'm going kind of high because I think I'm like supposed to be widening my eye, right? Now, do I want to go light to dark, dark to light, neon to matte? I don't know. So I'm gonna do matte, I think first, like all my matte colors, and then do sort of neons over it. I'm gonna do a darkish kind of green first. The James Charles palette. I'm gonna use, let's see, this green right here. I'm gonna do kind of like a crease with this right now, because I think that's the dark thing that I want to be the darkest. And then I'm gonna blend that out. I'm kind of go like a little bit above where my natural, like, I don't know, fucking hole of my eye is, the concave right there. I'll darken that more in a second, but now I want to do the fucking lid. So, okay, so I have a choice in my head. I could do just straight up, like, I have this like Cozette fucking individual like color thing, or I could do this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick eye that I think will dry pretty easily and be like really full coverage. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I did this green, now I'm gonna put this green over it, kind of give it some dimension. Now, what I think I'm gonna do, so in the corners, I'm gonna use a SugarPill, this really cute purple. It's like a really, really light lavender. In the corners of my eyes to sort of like, and then I'm gonna use this same color to blend this out, to diffuse it, so it's sort of like contrasting colors. Now, I've got these really fun two Medusa colors, this green and this green. And I'm gonna use this to sort of like make it pop. And I'm gonna use NYX's glitter glue. Get it out. Oh. I'm gonna use a Q-tip. I'm gonna use my that. And I'm gonna pack it on my eyes. This glitter looks kind of like chunky. Like it's like, I call it like kind of pieces, but not. It doesn't. I don't even know if it's glitter. Is it glitter? Go back in with this green. Make sure this blend happens. I'm gonna darken up the crease now. Now, my eyes I feel like are kind of done. I'm gonna splash a little shivering white in the very corners of my eyes to make them pop, and I'm gonna line them. So this is my MAC Shivering White. Okay, just in the corners. Okay, let's line these motherfuckers. As far as lining goes, I've done it 2 different ways. I've done it where I do like black smoky and then like smoke that all out and do all that and then line it over that, so it's sort of, you're like prepping for like the smoke, or I could line it now and then sort of smoke it out and then have to reline it. So I'm just gonna smoke it out first and then line it. I love this liquid liner that I use, but man, why in the world would you make a liquid liner that burns when it gets in your eyes? It's 2020, like, I feel like we're past that, but we're not, apparently, because this liquid liner does exactly that. It burns when it gets in your fucking eyes. Stupid, but it is. e.l.f. black liner. So now I'm gonna let this sort of liquid liner set, and just because of the way this fucking shit sets, it kind of like spreads a little bit and it makes me mad. I'm gonna go in and pack black on top of it, just so it makes it really black and dries it. So I'm gonna wait to see if I'm gonna do a cat eye or not, because now I'm gonna do my foundation, and then I'll do the underneath of my eyes, and that's when I'll make the decision if I'm gonna go up or not. So this is top half of the eye done. Now for foundation, I'm going to use this TV paint stick to use this for most of my face. I'm not putting it all over my face because there's places I'm going to put highlight cream, and I don't want to put too much like layers on my face. Got my beauty blender. I'm going to buff it out. Now I'm gonna go through my highlight and contour and really like make sure the rest of my face is like covered. I'm gonna use Ivory. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna do it here. Here. A little bit here. A little bit here. There. And then under my eyes. Go with cheekbones. I think right there. Okay, so I'm gonna do there, and then I'm gonna do underneath my chin. Oh yeah, look how soft it is. There. And then I'm also gonna put contour right. You guessed it, right there in that Adam's apple. And then cheek contour with this. So my goal is like I kind of go from the top corner of my ear, and then I'm gonna flick it down to like it falls off the the ridge of my cheekbones, or you know, like. So a little contour, so I'm gonna do my nose. I'm gonna do that with a fucking Q-tip. If you do too much, your nose will go crazy. Little nose. So now I put the cream, I'm going to use powder to set it. Okay, so I've got the highlight on there. Now I'm gonna go through the contour powder in caramel. Okay, underneath, where we did before. This right here. And the contour on your cheekbones. And then, just a little bit on your nose. I'm gonna go through with my translucent powder. I'm gonna kind of edge that out a little bit. Just kind of cuts it. There. So I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna powder the rest of my face. Down. I kind of do this like where the seams meet, if that makes sense. Like up here. My nose. This kind of goes everywhere, but that's fine because it's translucent. Okay, now I'm gonna let this all set. This is called baking, I believe. I'm gonna let this bake while I do the under of my eyes. I'm gonna do the same green sort of like gradient and then make into a cat eye, I think. So. I'm just gonna put a little pop underneath the corner of my eyes and set it. Now I'm gonna do liner on it, the bottom of my eyes. Oh, my goal here is to get on that fucking waterline. Tight. I just cannot go without black eyeliner on my eyes. Like I cannot. It's like it seems like my eyes aren't finished. Just a touch. Make those eyes go up and not down. That. Now, while that's drying, I'm gonna do my fucking mascara. I use this, which is Monsieur Big. I'm trying to make them not white. This is baked long enough. I'm gonna beat it out. Okay. So now I'm gonna bronze real fast. I use this fucking generic ass bronze. I don't even know what brand it is. My face. Okay. Now I'm gonna go get my lace front eyebrows. I'm cleaning off these brows, putting spirit gum on this side, and I'm gonna put it on my face. But doing this side first with some tweezers. I think spirit gum's kind of a fucking lie. Always. It's like, it never really works for me. So then the way I line up my brows is I take a little brush like this, and I'm gonna put it against my nose, go up, and my brow is gonna start like right there. And I'm letting it dry. That's the tricky part. That's a little high. Now those are drying. I'm gonna do the under eye highlight or the under brow light highlight. Darken up them brows a little bit. Blush, I'm gonna do like this NYX coral called Double Dare. Someone told me, and I remember this for blush, is make like a little C right here underneath your eye. C. Okay. Now the powder part of my makeup's done, so I'll spray using MAC's Plus Priming and Prepping Spray. Okay, well that's that. Pick a lip color. This one, right? I'm gonna line my lips with this brown. This color is called Anna Nicole. Oh, now I just need to put on that little highlight. Oh god, it looks fucking dewy. I love cum so much. Right, I'm gonna put on my lashes. I do not stack my lashes. There are some people who wear like 3 pair. I just wear 1 pair of lashes. I don't know. I feel like if I stack my lashes, you're not gonna see my fucking eyeballs. I got to 20. Let this dry. Gonna take one more hit of the apple fritter. Oh man, it wasn't even on. Now you've seen what I do with my face. Now you comment below and tell me what I can change. What did I do wrong? You saw it. Change the products, change the techniques. Tell me. Now's your chance to change this face.